What if your bank leadership team came to you and said there was a new mandate? Going forward, we had to treat every customer like it was the very first time we met them. And each and every time afterwards, we had to treat it like it was the first time we engaged them as well. You'd think they were nuts, right? But in reality, this is exactly what most financial institutions are doing today in the digital channel. And it is nuts because it runs counter to what has made every community financial institution so special as compared to their national megabank peers. The secret sauce for the incumbent has always been about getting to know the customer just a little bit better and using those insights to deliver a better service. Hi, I'm Craig and this is Mark, and we are the co-founders of Finalytics.ai. And we are thrilled to level the playing field for the community financial institution with the launch of the Finalytics platform here at Finovate. Today, we are going to show you how our AI-driven platform enables community financial institutions to more effectively assess their digital experiences, grow their customer bases with data, and to ultimately enable them to thrive like a fintech in a digital-first world. More than a CMS platform, Finalytics.ai is purpose-built for the community financial institution and uses machine learning algorithms to sort through millions of our data points set in real time to drive new customer acquisition, to increase existing customer wallet share, and to drive customer satisfaction. Let us show you how it works, all using our no-code interface that can be implemented in moments, not months, using the tags you already have on your site combined with our data. Mark?
Finalytics.ai uses data and machine learning to increase relevancy on the digital channel. I'm going to show you a couple examples of how anybody can deploy the platform to increase relevancy, increase the number of product applications on the digital channel, while improving customer and member service. I've loaded up a couple examples for time's sake in my browser, and I'm going to navigate between them. In this first example, a net new visitor has come to this credit union's website, and in less than 1 second, it's determined this is a younger visitor from Dallas, Texas, that the product they're most likely interested in is a mortgage. Now, it's figured out the product interest from a very complex set of machine learning that we have trained across a multitude of credit unions and banks nationwide, both big and small. And the algorithm is able to determine product interests on unpredictable attributes, such as for one Midwest bank, it found that women on iPhones on Monday mornings were 3.2 times more likely to be interested in checking or savings account than other products. In this instance, it's determined this individual is interested in a mortgage. And it's deploying multi-factor personalization. It is promoting the product using different marketing techniques. Up here in the marquee, I can see where it's using rates for rate-focused shopper. Down here, we've got our geo-based personalization to show them we're in their neighborhood. And for the high-touch, high-service prospect, it's promoting them to reach out and talk to one of their mortgage experts. Now let's look at the exact same page looks for a different visitor. In this case, the visitor has come and the AI has determined this is an older visitor from San Diego, California, and has still determined that this person is interested in a mortgage. But you can see it has updated the imagery and the nomenclature and the geo-based personalization accordingly for this visitor. You may notice it's also done something with the promo boxes. It has determined that this visitor is an existing member of the credit union and that they recently applied for a credit card but have yet to activate the credit card. And so it's promoting digital adoption. You can imagine it could also promote other things such as bill pay or using the mobile app. Over here on the right, it's promoting a popular free service that this credit union offers for members of this type of attribute, in this case, retirement planning, to reach out to improve that sort of member satisfaction and member loyalty. Now, we've looked at these examples of how the AI engine is using data provided by this institution, but it also uses data from other sources such as competitors. Here, the AI engine has navigated across the site, looked at the rates of all the products for this institution, and then automatically found competitors based on geography and size and looked at the rates of their products. And it's determined that the HELOC rates are highly competitive, and so we're showing them in bold on the marquee banner compared to industry averages. We've looked at how Finalytics AI can be deployed on public sites, but it really can be deployed on any channel. So let's look at here. The visitor has logged into online banking to look at their balances and transactions. And the AI has determined that this visitor has either not set up bill payees or has not used bill pay in the last 6 to 12 months and is promoting the service with a nice, simple message of set up bill pay in less than 5 minutes. Of course, that can be configured for product promotion as well. Based on this visitor's attributes, it may have determined that the most popular product that this visitor does not have is an auto loan. And so it's promoting in a very friendly message a pre-approval offer for the auto loan that they can accept immediately. And so we've shown how Finalytics AI can deploy massive personalization across the digital channel to increase relevancy. But one of the coolest things is how easy it is to set this up. I'm going to navigate to this tab and we're going to look at the site. The first step is to deploy the Finalytics.ai tags onto the site, which you can do through your tag container, such as Google Tag Manager or through your CMS. Once those tags are deployed, you can navigate it around the site and determine which areas you want to use to drive the one-to-one marketing. I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to select the main marquee banner. And the first thing that it's going to do is ask me what products and services I want to promote with the targeting. And then I'm going to click continue. And the next thing it's going to ask is what content I want to use to promote those products and services. I can either upload new imagery and text, I can choose from the existing Finalytics.ai library, or I can let the data decide. And the machine learning will navigate around the site and determine which images and text are best for promoting those products and services. Next, I'm going to click continue. And it's going to ask me to confirm the data sources that it will use for the machine learning over time. Now, the easiest implementation is just to use your web analytics data, such as Google Analytics, which will be combined with the machine learning in the financial industry that we have library for. But it's very easy to set up and integrate other data sources, such as your online product applications and your online banking. And then you also have the ability to enrich that data from third parties, such as Experian and Infutor. And it's that simple. Now I'm going to click Launch Personalization. It's going to allow me to preview multiple scenarios, and I can start to look immediately at my dashboards to see how it's working. Now I'm going to show you 3 examples for time's sake. Here is an example of the personalization performance dashboard, so I can see the lift in product application starts and completes that the personalization is generating. Over here, I'm going to look at a content performance dashboard, and I can see how every page on the site is contributing to assets and deposits. And then for the last example, I'm going to show you the product performance dashboard. Now, I love this dashboard because it shows not only how well your digital channel is performing, but you get to compare yourself to industry averages to know how whether or not you're outperforming your peers. So those are just a couple examples of a very large library of dashboards that we have that I wanted to show you. Now I'm going to hand it back to Craig.
Thanks, Mark. That was awesome. In closing, we believe in communities, and we believe that when you connect communities with their community financial institutions, good things happen. It's the fabric of our country. And we created Finalytics.ai to enable the community financial institution with the ability to better serve the customers they have and win the right new ones, the same way fintechs do. We think it's a strong value proposition that will enable the incumbents to be able to get a better handle on how to approach the digital channel in a personalized way. But don't take our word for it. Try it. Go to Finalytics.ai and schedule a demo, customized to understand how it can deliver some results for you. And with that, we thank you and we look forward to hearing with you.